Hey guys, hello, we keep it dirty off-road. As you guys see behind me, the truck is finally back. So this video is going to give you guys a quick update on where we're at with the truck and what's going on there. So first of all, she's been gone for 6 weeks. The truck has been at the dealer for 6 weeks for the latest round of troubleshooting. And this time, they decided to replace the steering wheel. So yeah, unfortunately, all they did was replace the steering wheel and replace the nut that holds the steering wheel in place. That's it. You can see, this thing is brand spanking new. Everything else looks old, but that's brand new. Now, I don't actually think this is the actual fix. Just like before, the dealer just keeps treating the symptoms. They're not actually looking for the cause of the desk shake. They have yet to look at harnesses or anything like that. I don't know why they're doing that. But because we got her back and because I've been itching to go off-road, today you're gonna see us get the truck ready and we're gonna basically repeat our trails from Kramer to Barker Ranch and see how she does. We put our old rack on here to basically get us ready and still allow us to go play off-road. The only thing we found is, well, we can't really use it with new jack plate that we got for the Pro Eagle jack. This doesn't actually fit in the same holes as the old one. So we're gonna have to drill new holes, see where that goes. We're also gonna relocate the antenna for the radio. Gonna make sure that we carry at least 2 recovery boards with us. And then we're gonna add a spot in the back. Maybe have to move some of that L-track to hold the toolbox. Let's put it back up on there, see where we end up. That's the whole point of this. Put it back into place and line it with the holes. This ain't gonna work. That's way off the edge.
That's in between welds, and this is the only good hole. Want to try switching it?
What do you mean switching it?
Flip it.
Try it.
If we do it like that, it'll work so much better.
Everything held into place or what?
Tire's a little bit hitting, but that's nothing.
All right, I guess that's our spot. It's a line.
I can't tell.
It's a little curved. Bend it towards Dad a little bit. There you go. Thought you were straight as an arrow, Ethan.
Nice mixtape, dude.
It's the only thing I don't like is the noise.
You serious?
It's not gonna bother you,
You're
Dad.
Dab. Are you serious? I don't like the noise. You're never gonna hear it. And duct tape it.
Yes. We ended up using our lip mount. It's not the best of holds, but it's a temporary solution. Should be good. We're going lime green with our zip ties today. You happy with that, Ethan?
I'm happy with this.
Hey, where's my zip ties, you cad?
Oh, sorry.
Bring them over.
Hold on, I grabbed some snips.
They're not in there.
There's snips in here.
Not the ones I want.
They're the ones you need.
Nope.
Yes,
Go
yeah.
get them from the tool roll.
Come on, you can try them.
Get them from the tool roll.
Try it. I don't want to unzip that thing.
What? Whoa.
Where is it?
Are you looking for the eyes wide shut guy?
Who?
Where is he? Where is he?
Where's the guy that makes me want to do this extra stuff?
Right here.
Yeah, this one right here.
I don't know why you guys
Why'd
bitch
you
so
put it
much.
back?
We just got off school, Dad. Come on. You could wait at least a couple of hours.
You guys bitch so much.
Can you give us time to relax after school?
This is your school. This is homeschooling.
Am I passing?
Right now you're at about a D. You're on the verge of failing.
Dad.
What about this one?
Hi.
He's getting a fucking F.
I wonder why.
Where'd you find it? Where did I find it? Over there.
Oh.
So if this way is north, east.
You sure that's east?
Yes, it's east. Maybe. You can go more?
What am I?
Oh.
You're gonna get something snipped, Ethan.
Dad, is that why he's failing?
That's exactly why he's failing. He's failing for attitude, horsing around in class.
It's not like the teacher knows.
All right, so far we got our jack, we got our spare recovery boards. We were thinking of putting back the power tank, but that's gonna be too much of a hassle. I think we're just gonna carry that inside. And then we did our antenna. Ended up using the lip mount for the antenna. And then I know it's not the best of grounds, I know. But it's a good temporary solution and it sticks up farther than it did over here. So next, we gotta figure out a way to hold our toolbox. So we're gonna add some L-track over there. We're mainly trying to do this as a temporary solution so that we have a way to still use this truck. Over the next couple of months, we're still gonna have to wait on the case and I don't wanna be completely off the trail. So we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna still set ourselves up to be able to do this, just not as hard. Let's get that L-track. All right, so I think we're ready. Are you guys even coming tomorrow?
No, I got a webinar for UCI.
Oh, shut up. So I'm on my own tomorrow, but I think we're ready. I think this will be a good temporary setup. We're still a little overloaded in the back, so we got to take it easy, but I think we're ready.
Stock David's not gonna be able to handle the weight.
I know. I'm tired.
I'm tired. I'm Ethan.
All right, we'll see you guys on the trails. All right, so here we are. My truck, really first time all stock with full gear going off road. And then we got Victor with this whole new setup. Hopefully nothing comes loose, Victor.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we got a newcomer. I forget his name. I'm awful with names. He's got a built up Gen 1. Looks like a pretty badass setup. Sounds good too. Listen to that thing. Nice setup in the back. Running Raceline beadlocks, good wheel. He's even got a sat phone. So much fancier than us. We got Ken. Ken in his badass truck. Hopefully he doesn't break down on this run. Hey Ken, I hope you don't break down on this run. Got the puppy. She's got her own dust goggles, dude. That's awesome. This is Boris. He's gonna take the lead for me today. Hey Boris.
Hey.
Showing up fashionably late because he doesn't have his crew.
You guys were a little early.
All right, good times. Hopefully it's a good run. We're gonna try to film as much as we can, guys, and yeah, hopefully it ends up being a fun day. First time running the truck with all the gear and all stock, so we'll see how she does. All right, I'm gonna do my typical settings, guys, and normally this road, Powerline Road, I like to be in Baja because I like the extra speed and control. Keeps me aggressive too. And then I'm gonna put my steering wheel in comfort. So hopefully that works out good for us today. Fingers crossed.
You good back there, Helio?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just taking it easy. I can see you, man.
All right, just checking.
So this was kind of cool. We actually ended up running into the Gambler 500, guys. We saw a few on the trails and a couple others in Randsburg. It's pretty interesting cars that I wouldn't mind taking off-road on the trails myself.
Like they're currently running through a park or something.
What sucks the most about a flat tire? You got beadlocks. That means you gotta take that off.
Nah, I have somebody in Corona that does it for me.
Ah, okay. I think I might go ahead of you guys and set up at that whoopee section.
Go for it. We'll have this show you.
About to go into Coyo Canyon or Goler Wash or whatever you want to call it. The guys all getting ready. Gonna go in our house slowly. Yeah, see, they had a chicken coop and, you know, other animals there. The only building left standing is that one. I don't know what that one was for, but that right there was the main house where they actually caught him.
So a big badass Chuck Manson. They caught him hiding under the sink.
Yep.
Under the sink.
This is the front door. So imagine they bust in. He's in the little breakfast nook. So he just pops into the bathroom. And that's the sink right there. See those 3 holes?
Mm-hmm.
He fit under that sink. I think she would have a hard time fitting under that sink, man. Let alone. See, it's a tiny little house. 1 bedroom.
Yeah, but
And
there's
yeah,
like more. Oh, yeah.
No, there wasn't any more houses. It was all just shacks, or they just picked a mattress and slept on it in the middle of the night.
You got a rotating harem of girls, that's why.
Cheapest at 41. 41. You got 4 more behind. 1 more? You got 4 more behind me.
I know you. I've seen your YouTube videos.
Yeah, how you doing?
I use them to tune up my Raptor.
Oh, nice, dude.
How are you doing?
Good, good.
I'm Scott, by the way.
Helio.
Nice to meet you.
We're actually trying this out. I just got it back from the dealer.
Yeah. We're heading up to Barker Ranch.
Yep, that's where we just came from.
Anybody there?
We got a big group of Forerunners and FJs to watch out for. Just be on the lookout for them.
All right, man.
Cool, dude.
Sounds good.
Have a safe trip. 4 more, remember.
Yep.
So we're home now, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking, how did the truck do? Overall, the truck did great. It actually rode smoother. It didn't shake once, but we were driving it differently. You know, we started off at the Powerline Road. You guys seen us go 95 miles an hour on that road. The most we were able to do was around 65, 70. We took it easy. I don't want to destroy this truck. As far as I'm concerned, we're not keeping this truck. So whether Ford takes it back or we trade it in or we sell it, the truck is going away. So even though I'm taking it off-road, I'm not going to try to push it. We're going to take it easy. And that's what we did on this trip. We took it easy. I know this trail. I know where it shook last time. So as soon as I saw washboards, as soon as I saw an S-turn, or I knew where the rough roads were, we slowed down. We slowed down a lot. And that's why I was also the sweet truck. I was in the back because I didn't want to slow anybody else down with the stock truck. Is it fixed? No, it's not fixed. I'm filming this about a week or so after the run. I just got done shooting a video running with the TRX, and there was one point where we had to do an emergency brake on a new section of trail, and she shook. Unfortunately, we didn't capture it. By that point, our batteries were died. It was close to the end of the day. We were just trying to get done, and she did shake. So yeah, the problem is still there, and the reason why it's still there is because the dealer hasn't taken a look at any of the electronics. They haven't looked at the code. They haven't looked at the harnesses. So until they start looking at that, problem's not going to be fixed. Now, there is another odd little thing going on too that's been kind of strange. The alignment keeps changing. It keeps moving. You guys remember from a previous video, we actually marked down all the bolts to make sure that nothing in the suspension is moving, but yet the steering wheel center position keeps changing. So even though on that first trip we had no problems, the alignment was off after that first trip. It was off a little bit to one side. After a week of driving around the street, it corrected itself and went back to straight, which is really odd. And then we just took it out again with the TRX, and the alignment started off straight, and towards the middle of the run it got off, and then by the end of the run it got back to normal. There's still something going on where if the vibration gets bad enough, center position of the rack keeps getting lost. So a sensor still is tripping and still having some issues. Not to the extent that it's shaking the steering wheel, but it still keeps going in and out of alignment, and that's the major problem, right? Like if the steering wheel shook, I could almost deal with it, you know, like it just slow down in those sections. But the fact that the alignment keeps going off every time makes it such a pain to drive. And that's the main problem that I'm having with this truck, is that anytime you hit rough trails, the alignment goes off. For the most part, she shook before because we were going super fast. Now that we slow down, the alignment still keeps going out, and it's not fun. I mean, overall, we had a really good run. What we learned is we got to slow down. So we got to slow down big time because we're going to be doing some stock mobbing going forward. You know, being off the trails for the last 3 months sucked. So we're just going to take it easy, still have fun with this truck until the whole thing gets done. We're not going to go out as often, obviously, but we're going to just go slower. We've got a lot of content coming for you guys. We're doing some Icon installs. We're doing leaf spring installs for the Icon. We're doing Icon bump stops. You guys know how I feel about those. I really like them. So we got those videos coming up. And then you heard it right. We finally got a chance to test the TRX off-road. Now, we didn't actually drive it, but we did do a side-by-side on some key areas. If you guys remember the test we did for the 37s, we redid those tests with the Ram TRX to see how she handled. I think the results are going to surprise some of you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, guys, put any questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.